It's beach day, you guys! Today we are checking out my Beachly subscription box, so let's get ready and check out all of these beachy items. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, so if you're new here, welcome. Today we are taking a look at the Spring 2025 Beachly box. Now, like I said, this is a subscription box and it is a quarterly subscription. So if you guys sign up right now, you will receive the spring box and you are able to customize this box also at the time of when you sign up. So this is what the box itself will look like. And like I said, this is the spring box that we're gonna open up today. This box is customized with all of the choices that I made, but keep in mind, there's a lot of options available. So even if you don't love all of the choices that I have here, there's gonna be other ones to choose from as well. But what's great about this box is that they will give you a discount off of your very first order, or you have the option to get a free bonus box. So that bonus box will include products from previous boxes, but as a new member, since you're new, it technically wouldn't be a repeat anyways. So you can choose if you'd like to use the coupon or the bonus box deal that I have listed down below for you guys. You're not able to use both, but there is a code for each of them, and that way you guys can use it at checkout and you'll get one of those options. Now this subscription is super fun, and you don't have to have a beach in order to get this box either. I mean, I live in Nebraska. There are no beaches here, right? But this box has in it all sorts of different lifestyle items. There's clothing items every single season. So the first item we're gonna start with is the clothing item for spring. Now there are a couple of options. When you go online to customize your box, you'll have a few different options for that clothing item. I went with this adorable blue tank top, you guys. Look at this. Isn't it cute? You get the cute little palms on here. So this is the first official item inside of our spring box. And then on the reverse side, it will say Beachly Summer Club. So fun. So this tank top, what I like about it, obviously there's not gonna have any sleeves here, but I do like that it's got the rounded scoop neck, so it will come up a little ways as well. This to me is gonna be perfect this spring, especially if you're getting ready to clean out your garden. You gotta go outside, get everything ready, all the flower beds. Typically, you want something that is going to be cool and breathable. This one definitely feels like it's going to be fine for that. I don't think you're going to overheat. It is a longer one and it has a rounded bottom at the end here. What I like about that too is that it's long enough that if you are bending over in the garden, this will definitely be long enough to give you some coverage as well. I mean, there's things you gotta think about. So if you decide to go with this exact tank top this season, you are able to customize all of your sizing as well. Now, the next item that I chose for my box is a cute little handbag. Now I gotta tell you guys, I didn't realize it was gonna be this small. I looked at it online and was like, oh, that's cute. Like, I have actually bags that I use for the library specifically. And I was like, oh, that might work for the library. You know, I've got a little canvas bag. It's a little small for what I wanted to use it for, but I do think it's super cute. So this is what the bag itself will look like here. This is made out of that Turkish towel, like that cotton material that they use. So it's very lightweight. The idea Beachly was thinking with this is that if it did get wet, it would dry out really quickly. So if you do, I mean, if you have a beach, you could definitely take this with you. It would dry quick. But super cute pattern on here. Love the blue. And then look at these little tassels down here, little fringe. I thought it was so cute. And then you do have two handles here. Now the brand is called Seafolly and they're from Australia. It doesn't list a price on the tag itself, but I'm guessing you can always look it up on their website as well. But this is going to be the brand here. The next item that I have in my box today is coming from Ethique. This is the Invigorating Body Care Trio. So this is a set of 3. We have 3 different scents in here, but they're going to be different body products. So I'm going to go through them one by one to show you what they look like, the scents, and then of course what they're going to do. This is what it looks like out of the box. So this one is wrapped, but I love the hearts. How cute. So for starters, this one here, this is lime and lemongrass scented. Oh, it is. This smells really good. So this is what it looks like here. And then these are all handmade products as well, which is even better. Now this product is a body cleanser. So it says all you're gonna do is wet this soap bar and then you're gonna use this as a cleanser. It's not gonna lather up like a soap, but it is going to give you a nice layer of lotion with your skin. So it is a little bit different. It is a cleanser still, but you're just not gonna get like the bubbles and that full-on lather that you traditionally see with a soap bar. The next item in here is lime and ginger scented. This is a body polish. So it says after you've cleansed, you're gonna wet this bar and use it, and you're gonna rub this all over your body, and it says that it will massage well into your skin, so that way your skin will feel even softer afterwards. Ooh, yeah. You know, that lime is such a great scent. It's just got that zesty citrus scent. You know that, like, it just feels fun and it's like, ooh, there's a little kick. You know, it's just a little bit of lime in there. I don't know. I love lime, you guys. It smells really good. Now, the last one that we have in here is the wrapped one. This is called Rustic, and it's actually a deodorant. So this is a deodorant that you can use. Well, that's fun. So here's what the deodorant looks like. And then, like I said, the scent is called Rustic. It smells very clean though, and I swear there's still lime in it. I feel like I'm still getting a lime scent. All three of these are really good that I will use them. It's not like the scents are gonna be smelly at all. I think it's really good. Now, this is considered a trial set. So you can try this out. If you love the products, you can go onto the brand's website then and purchase the full-size options. You can buy this set that will have the full-size kit for all three, or you can buy them individually as well. So at least you get to try it out, see if you even like the deodorant, and then kind of go from there. Look at how cute these are. So again, this box is a lifestyle box, so you'll have a variety of products. This next item is a set of 2 kitchen towels. So we have 2 here, and I love the way that this looks. The blue is perfect. And actually, the other towel has a different pattern. So these are coming from a brand called Rock Flower Paper, which is super cute. They are 100% cotton towels. And it mentions that 45% of the cotton is actually recycled cotton. And they are 20 by 28. So if you want to know the sizing on them, they're both the exact same size. They just have a different print is the only thing. So here's your 2 kitchen towels. Aren't those cute? I love the blue-green color that it has. This is gonna look adorable. And I see it, they're usable products. They're good size. I will usually use these as like drying dish towels as well, but hang these on the stove, so cute. And again, if you guys don't need dish towels, there's lots of options available for customization. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys this. So as a new member, when you first sign up, they are gonna give you the same options that all existing members have for spring. But on top of that, you're also going to get additional options. So they are bringing back products that we already had as existing subscribers in previous boxes. So you could choose those other items as well. And they don't give that option to existing subscribers because we already had them. So it'd be repeat products. But you guys will actually have more choices to choose from than what I even did. The next item that I chose for my box is a note card set. I loved how bright and happy these cards looked. And the envelopes that go along with them are the same aqua color. And I was like, they're just so happy. I can't say no. Like, it made me feel happy just looking at them. So this is a set of 12 note cards. They are gonna be blank inside, and then it comes with the matching envelopes and stickers, it actually says. Ah, I didn't realize it had stickers in here. So this is what it looks like. Here are your stickers, and they're going to be just those 2 patterns that you see there. The note cards actually do change though with their prints on the front. So these are going to be the cards themselves. We have these first ones that say hello. Then we get this kind of, I feel like it looks like an aloe plant. That's what I see at least. The next one will give you the sun, giving me a little bit more of those sandy vibes. And then last but not least, we have a thank you note here, and this one will be the sun with a plant. Aren't they adorable though? Even the paper feels, it's got a little bit of texture, and I don't know, there's just something about these. It was the cuteness factor, you guys. It's exactly why I got it, is because they were cute. And then these will be the envelopes. The envelopes are all the exact same. They're all gonna look like this, but I was like, this aqua color, and then you get the bright sunshine. I couldn't say no. Last item inside of my box is coming from Diff. Now this is a sunglasses company. Actually, They might do more than just sunglasses. Let's just say it's an eyewear company, but I do know this is a pair of sunglasses that I have in here. Now, I have tried a lot of glasses from Diff previously. I do think they are good quality glasses every time I've had them. I've only ever had sunglasses, so if they do make other items, I've not tried those. But these ones are called Grace, so if you wanted to purchase them on the Diff website, you could. But I find that they last a really long time, so they're good quality, and even if I'm a little rough with my sunglasses, like I throw them in my purse, I don't put the cloth on it, I feel like they still hold up really well. All things considered, and the way I treat them, they do a good job. So these are the sunglasses here. So they are going to be super reflective. They are polarized lenses. Man, we haven't had Polaroids in forever, but this is what they will look like. And then they've got a little bit of that cat eye here on the side. It is a matte black frame, and you can already see how it's a little bit darker. So it is going to filter that light really well. I do like that the arms are all metal. So again, it's going to be good quality. Let me try these on, and hopefully I won't blind you guys here. You're going to see with my ring light, it looks like I'm an alien, you guys. But I love the big oversized glasses, and these are definitely them. Love the fact that they're polarized as well. Perfect for being out in the sun. Very comfortable. They fit really well. Like they go right over my ears perfectly. I mean, they're all in all, you guys, they're very comfortable glasses. So I am not unhappy with this choice at all. I think these are great. This is gonna be perfect though, you guys, because it's just starting to get warm enough now that it is time to go out and get the flower beds ready. I gotta clean them up. I love that I got the tank top in here. Now I got my sunglasses as well. I get done working outside. I can use the soap bars to get all freshened up. I mean, dry my hands with the towels and write a thank you note to somebody. So I don't know, somehow the thank you notes will fit in there, but I do think this is a cute curation this spring. So that is everything inside of my Beachly box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you guys think of this box today? Like I said, there are so many choices to go with. I chose items that I knew I would use. So I love my box. I think it's all super cute, but you can at least get the idea with this subscription that it's beach inspired items, but they're still very usable. Everybody can use sunglasses. Everybody can have towels, you know, so there's definitely options. But if you don't love my choices, you will have a lot to choose from as well. So there's going to be a link down below. You guys can check it out. And then I also have 2 different codes that you can use. One will save you some money, and then the other one will get you a free bonus box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!